Hi there everyone! Once again, this is Digital Life Changer. In this video, we are going to unbox a new budget gaming laptop with a Ryzen 7 processor and a 6GB video RAM, the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 15ACH6. By the way, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified to our next unboxing videos. Shout out to the following from our last unboxing video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
can switch the RGB backlit profiles by holding function plus spacebar keys together. You can also modify each profile using the Lenovo Vantage app, which is already pre-installed on your desktop. Since this video is for unboxing only, we'll cover the RAM upgrade, SSD upgrade, and more of my gaming experience in the next videos. So again, please do not forget to hit the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified to our next exciting videos.